take a little folding chair. That's what we do. But yeah, we are working on a full automation review, so making things easier coming up should be a little bit easy. Get some shit to where you know the boy only got to come through once a week, make sure that water levels is hit, and we gone. Uh, this does this, this does that, and that does this. Everything works. The only thing I gotta do is come in, make sure, yeah, check the water lines, boom, we're in and out. Yeah, quick consultation for myself on my own system. That's coming up. Yeah, we did that. We gonna make improvements because we don't have time for mistakes. Shouts out to mistakes because that's what we gonna be up on. Shouts out to making progress because it's gonna be some professionalism with the progress, right? Shouts out to keeping it moving because that's what the schedule said. The schedule said we got stuff to do 365. Holidays are nice, but guess what? I'm not the one paying the price for being the one spending the money. But yeah, we did get some views on them videos yesterday. Shouts out to my studio. Y'all know y'all like the studio. Says right there, in the last 28 days, we've got 8,187 views. But it rounded up to 8.2 because, we almost there. Like 13 more, and then it would have been 2,000, right? 200. Not 2,000. Yeah, 200. Let's say what it is and get them right for now because they going up. Watch time hours 97.4. That ain't too bad. I stay getting watch time hours and shit. 8 new subs. We do subs too. We get new people on the regular because we always out networking. But then, as you see, it's got the little sparkles on this short video because it's trying to shine. It's currently ranked 1 when they sound like TWP because, I know how to talk myself in and out of shit when I'm trying to or when I'm not trying to. Hell, shit happen or it don't happen. It ain't my fault. Either people going to work with you or work against you. But either way, we going to grind it out and roll with winners and win. Hey, that's the easiest thing you could ever do. See who's winning that's willing to fuck with you and fuck with them. Like, well, check this out. This is what I do. Okay, I know what you do. You be that person over there. I'll be over here. And if Batman need Robin one day, I ain't saying I'm your sidekick, but I roll with you. uh, Not saying I need no 12-year-old kid to come save me, but it's nice when that little motherfucker does remember, hey, if he's getting jumped, only thing I gotta do is give him a half a second to get his wind back together, and then he gonna finish putting in that work with me. Like, damn, they got you down, big homie. Let me give you a quick breather. Distractionary tactic. Boom. I'm gonna kick somebody big in their head, and then I'm gonna try to knock the next two out. But hell, those are just quick shots, so they gonna get right the fuck back up because it's a little nigga that's 12. Can't knock out a grown ass man for real unless they little. Some of y'all are little, so y'all might get knocked out by a 12-year-old. But hell, a 12-year-old boy can knock out a lot of people if they's trained right. Hence why Robin was deadly. You see what I'm saying? That boy said, hey, I can't come in playing. I got to be swinging at grown men. Hell, you think he playing with those strikes? Hell nah. Strike force on your ass. He over here getting 15-point bonuses for fucking efficiency. Shouts out to the motherfucking Damian Wayne one too, because that little boy was a killer. You see what I'm saying? That Batman had kids that he's like, I'm not a killer, but my son is. I ain't gotta do it. My son will. You see what I'm saying? He's like, Dad, who is this fuck motherfucker? Cause they on their way out. On their way out. Shouts out to being on your way out, cause hell, we finna roll up this other blunt so that way we can go ahead and get on our way out. I ain't gonna try to hold y'all up too long today. I'm gonna get you in and get you out, right? Probably